Hello everyone, welcome to NovaStar's booth for the COB display solution. As we all know, COB is a chip on board, so it's a tendency for the LED display in the future. So what we have done for the COB's improvement for this industry, let me show you. We all know that COB has its physical problems like the uniformity for its color ink, and also the bad uniformity before the calibration. And also there have more coupling phenomena. So what we have done for this, firstly, we have the module inspection, which means we can do the auto calibration on the production lines. And what's more, we have the grayscale calibration method and also this new industrial camera, which can do the COB calibration. Generally, when we do a 4K resolution calibration, we need 4 hours, but right now we just need 40 minutes. And what's more, for the full grayscale calibration, we do the multiple layers calibration to cooperate with the COB cabinets. In this way, we can show the better display effect when we do to match the accurate display effect. For the algorithm part, we have an image booster, which means it's 20 bits more, and also have the precise grayscale. And also we have the dynamic booster, which can have the more intelligent contrast. And also we can save 20% of the energy saving for the projects. And also we have a thermal compensation, which can solve the problems for the uniformity heat lead to the screens to red and green. The last part is about the inspection machine, which is not presented here, but with this inspection machine, we can do the inspection for the dead LED or the drive ICs on the production lines. This is what we have done for the COB's application industry's improvement. The last part, we call it controller part. We have the coax family to support the COB application, like the CX80 Pro, CX40 Pro, and MX40 Pro, MX30, and KU20. This can also help to have a better display effect in the COB's industrial. That's all.